Hello everyone. Planning to apply for MSc MA Economics but confused about the application form? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fill the Madras School of Economics application form correctly. This is the official website of MSc. Here you will see MA programs. Scroll down a bit and you will see this button called online application form. There are other buttons also like brochure and exam pattern and so on. Please read the brochure very carefully before applying and then go for online application form. So I'll click on this button. This will show me the application starting date, that is 10th of April, and the application will close on 11th of May. The last date for printing your application will be 26th May, and you can pay your fee between 10th of April and 11th of May. But please don't wait till the deadline. Please make sure that you fill the form well before the deadline so that you can study tension-free for your exam later. So now you need to register yourself first. For that, we click on new registration. And this will be the registration form that will open in front of us. This says that click here for important points to be noted. Click on this link and read all the important points before moving ahead with your registration. Once you have read all these points, keep all these points in mind and then go ahead with your registration form. So enter your first name here and confirm the first name by rewriting it in the box that is right of it. Then enter your middle name if you have any, otherwise you can leave it blank because it is optional. Then enter your last name and confirm it in the box that is right to it. So your full name will be entered automatically here. Now provide your mobile number and confirm your mobile number in the box next to it. Then it is asking for alternative number. So if you have any alternative mobile number or landline number, please enter it here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank as it is optional. Then please enter your mail ID. The first box, you have to only enter your username. Then in the next box, choose the domain name from the list that is given. And here, confirm your mail ID by writing it completely. Then you have to enter the security code that is shown in the image next to it. Once you have filled in all the basic details, check it, that make sure that all of it is correct, and then click on save and next button. Click on OK. Now you have to verify your mail ID and your mobile number. So OTPs will be sent on your mail ID and mobile number. Click on send OTP and verify your mail ID and mobile number by entering the OTP that you have received. So I am filling in my mobile number OTP. Similarly, send OTP on mail and then enter your mail ID and then enter the OTP that you have received on your email ID. So I have entered both my mobile number OTP and email ID OTP. After entering OTP, click on verify OTP button. So your mobile number OTP will be verified and your email ID is verified. Once your mobile number and email ID is verified, then you have to upload your photo here. So first, scanned photograph of the candidate needs to be uploaded. While uploading the photograph, first thing that you need to ensure is that the size limit for the photograph is 20 KB and 50 KB. That is, your photo should not be less than 20 KB or more than 50 KB. It should be between the range of 20 KB and 50 KB only. Also, you need to ensure that while uploading the photo, you are required to capture the photo and upload your photo. So either you can capture the photo using webcam or you can capture the photo via mobile and then upload it here. So you need to upload your live image also and so I have uploaded my photo also and I have uploaded my live image also. Similarly, you have to upload your image and you have to capture the live image and upload it. Then you have to check this button which says I confirm that this is my valid photo and also agree to above mentioned note. Similarly, you have to upload your signature here. So you may struggle while uploading your signature because it has a lot of requirements like the size of the signature photo should be within 10 KB and 20 KB. It should not be more than 20 KB or less than 10 KB, otherwise it will not allow you to upload the photo. Second, you need to ensure that the signature should not be in block or capital letters. Thirdly, you need to ensure that the background of the image, signature image, is white. Fourth, you need to ensure that the name with which you save your signature file should not have any spaces. And fifth, you need to ensure that the signature should be saved either in JPG format or in JPEG format. Otherwise, it will not allow you to upload the photo. So you need to keep all these points in mind. Also, you can read the guidelines that are given here for scanning the photograph and signature. Please make sure that you read these guidelines first and then go for uploading your signature and photo. Otherwise, you will struggle a lot while uploading these photographs and signature, and it may lead to the wastage of your important time. So please do not waste the time because you need to study also, prepare also for your exam. So it would be better if you read the guidelines first or keep in mind all the points that I have told you, then go for uploading your signature and photograph. So once your signature and photo is uploaded, then click on next button. Now you have to provide all your basic details like your admission program. So since we are applying for MA program right now, so I'll choose MA program, choose your category here. Are you a person with benchmark disability of 40% and above? Choose whatever is applicable in your case. Only this thing is important as it is star marked. Other things are not important. So you need not to fill those things. You can leave it blank as they are optional. Then your state of domicile, choose from the list. Are you a Kashmiri migrant? Do you want to apply for defense quota? Consent to Aadhaar verification. So choose yes and then provide your Aadhaar card number and PAN card number here. After entering your Aadhaar card number and PAN card number, select your nationality here. And then you have to provide the preference for online examination center. So there are three preferences that you have to provide your online examination center. So first preference will be the city that is nearest to you or the city where you are dwelling. Then choose second preferred city and third preferred city. So they will try. Then you have to enter your personal details. So your date of birth, Please ensure that you have already filled in the details under basic details in the online form, especially pertaining to your category. Change in date of birth will not be permitted. So make sure that you fill in all the details correctly. So your gender, your marital status, then enter your father's name here, your mother's name, spouse name is optional, you can leave it blank. Then enter your address. So address line 1, house number, write your district here. If the permanent address is same as the address that you have provided, that is your present address, you can check on this button, your permanent address will be filled in automatically. Otherwise, if both are different, so you need to manually enter your permanent address here. Then you also have to provide all your bank details here. So account holder's name, enter your bank account number here. Confirm your bank account number by re-entering it here. Then your bank and branch name, type of account, saving account or current account, and then enter your IFSC code here. Lastly, you need to pay application fee. Validate all your details. Make sure that all the details that you have provided are correct, and then click on validate your details. Once your details are verified successfully, click on save and next button. Then you will enter this page where you have to provide all your educational details. So enter your class 10th degree, subjects or stream, whatever you had. You can enter your stream here. Name of school, college, board or university. The marks were provided. You are entering your marks here in the form of aggregate marks or CGPA. Choose whatever is applicable in your case. If you have chosen aggregate marks, please enter aggregate marks in the next box. If you have chosen CGPA, then enter the CGPA in the next box. Then you enter your percentage of marks here and class or division with which you passed. Similarly, enter your class 12th details here. Then name of the board, whether you have passed it or not. So you will only get passed option. So choose passed. Then enter the date of passing. Select whether you are entering aggregate marks or CGPA here, and then enter whatever you have chosen in the last box. Then enter your maximum marks out of which you have obtained this aggregate marks. Then your percentage of marks will come here, and then the division with which you passed. Similarly, provide your graduation details here. Name of the university, college, or appearing or passed. If you have passed it, the date of passing it, then aggregate marks or CGPA, whatever you are providing, then enter your CGPA out of how much you have obtained the CGPA, and then the division with which you have passed. Have you studied mathematics at +2 level or its equivalent or completion of mathematical economics course at undergraduate level? Choose yes or no, whatever is applicable in your case. Then enter the languages that are known to you and choose whether you can read, write, or speak that language. Entering one language is compulsory. Other two boxes are optional, so you can leave it blank if you know only one language. Then click on validate your details. So once your details are verified, you can click on save and next. All your details will be saved. Lastly, you have to choose the program that you are applying for: actuarial economics, applied quantitative finance, environmental economics, financial economics, or general economics. Right now, I'm going for general economics. Then there are some instructions that are given for you. Please read those instructions very carefully. So basically, you have to provide the preference for program. So firstly, you can provide 3 programs as your preference. So the first program that you are providing is your first preference. Then you can choose second preference and your third preference. If you want to change the order of your preferences, you can simply drag and drop, and your order will be changed. Then once you have chosen your program preference, validate your details. Once your details are verified successfully, click on save and next. So this is your application form. You can review your application form and make sure that everything is correct. Once everything is correct, click on this button, I agree, and then complete your registration. Click on OK. Now here you have to upload some documents. Your left thumb impression and handwritten declaration needs to be uploaded here. So upload these documents also. Again, while uploading your left thumb impression and handwritten declaration images, please make sure that you read the document that is attached here, guidelines document, before uploading these documents. Otherwise, it will be a headache to upload these documents because there are so many requirements. So to avoid any wastage of time, please read the guidelines that is given here, and make sure that you upload correct left thumb impression and handwritten declaration image. In handwritten declaration, you can simply write that I, your name, your date of birth, hereby declare that all the information submitted by me in the application form is correct, true, and valid. I will present the supporting documents as and when required. The signature, photograph, and left thumb impression is of mine. So you can simply write this handwritten declaration and take the image of it. The image form for extension should be JPG or JPEG, and the size of the image should be between 50 KB and 100 KB, and then upload it here. Once you have uploaded your left thumb impression and written declaration and entered the security code that is shown in this image, click on save and next. Click on OK, and then it will show you the amount you need to pay. Just enter the security code that is given here and click on submit. Your application form will be submitted by clicking on OK. So after filling in all the details, proceed to payment. Pay the application fee using options available like credit card, debit card, or net banking, UPI, whatever is available to you. Once the payment is successful, don't forget to save the receipt. Also, before submitting the form, carefully review your entire application. Check for any mistakes because once submitted, changes may not be allowed, and then click on submit. Once you have submitted the form and paid your application fee, download and save the confirmation page for future references. And that's it. Your MSE application form is successfully submitted. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on MA Economics admissions. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. Thank you.